drive by Troy Granite on the way to work, and we saw how big the place was, and we decided to stop by and take a look.
The process was very smooth. We went to the store to make our selection. Measurements when they came to our house, those were fine. And the installation had no issues.
Even though this slab weighs about 2,000 pounds.
Now we have beautiful countertops. I'd say we were very happy to work with Troy Granite. They really made the projects happen that we needed to in the time frame we needed. It really was a pleasure working with Troy Granite. Everyone that we had contact with was really nice to work with. I think the end results speak for themselves.
The biggest advantage to working with Troy Granite is the 1-week turnaround time from template to install. So if you're doing a complex project, you really want to get it done. So the 1-week turnaround time is pretty much industry best.
Most recent experiences. I don't even think we would look anyplace else. I would suggest Troy Granite is the first place that you go.
Call Troy Granite for all your countertop needs.